Hi, so welcome back to Charlie's channel. So it's going to be an unboxing video, so let's get on with the video. From Amazon, and it's something I've been wanting a while. Yeah. So yeah, just get into it. It's Essex Glam, I think that's what it says. So I love the colour of the box. So I'm a size 4 in boots. So this is going to be interesting. Hopefully it fits. So it's basically very chemically, but it's going to be fake material. So not real suede. It's like synthetic suede, which first impressions I really like. So you got the back part here. They've got two little tassels, so you can tie it up. Loosen the back part here. Nice little detail. So it's a nice little 1.5 inches heel. Just black suede. Zip there, so it's going to be fun to slide on. So there's not much grip on it. So yeah, so I'll probably get some grip pads or something for the base, but this is good grip on this bit. So yeah, big jeans, so hopefully they'll go over them. Can't promise anything, but hey ho. So it's over, quite literally. I'll show you a better clip with them on in a sec. And oh, they're so comfortable. Best heels ever. Especially a boot heel as well. To think that wouldn't be as sturdy, but it is, so that's quite good. And I only paid £25 for them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and catch you in my next one. Bye!